Alright, welcome to my channel. I want to quickly make a video on how to withdraw from your Edai account to your Binance account. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on the link below. And if this video is helpful. Alright, to start, it's very simple. Get to your Binance. I'm in my Binance. I get to spots. I'm looking for USDT, so I search for USDT. USDT. Right, here we go. This is my USDT, and I click on deposit, and these are various addresses. Don't forget, so withdraw from Edai. You need USDT TRC20. This is ERC20. This is AVAX chain. These are different networks. So we are looking for TRC20. So when you get to TRC20, you click on it. You click on this copy icon. I copy it. Now you go to your Edai account. Now see what I want to do. I get to my Edai account. Right, this is edaitrade.com. I want to log into the account. I want to withdraw now. So I log into this account. Log in. Wait for it to load. I let this go. So I want to make a withdrawal here. First of all, you need to update your account. You need to update your account. What I mean is your payment method. So I want to update my payment method with the wallet address I just copied. So I click here. It opens to this point. I click on add. I choose the network I want to add. Don't forget it's TRC20. TRC20 is faster. Don't use ERC, use TRC20. So TRC20, I click on TRC20. I click on confirm, and it asks me to paste the address. So I have to paste the address. I paste the address, and I change this place from ERC20 to TRC20. So I change to TRC20. Sorry, okay. I have to paste the address again. So I paste the address, and next is for me to confirm. You see, successfully. Right. So now, after successfully adding your payment method, next thing for you to do is for you to go to home. Already it is in home. You click on home. You get to quick withdrawal. You see quick withdrawal, so I click on quick withdrawal, and notice this time withdrawal ends 5 p.m. Nigerian time. I'm actually making this video from Nigeria, so withdrawal ends 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Any withdrawal made after 5 p.m. Nigerian time will be paid the following day. So if you want to make withdrawal before it is 5 p.m. Nigerian time. And so I click on withdrawal. When I click on withdrawal, don't forget minimum you can withdraw is 10 USDT. So I click on quick withdrawal. When I click on quick withdrawal, you can see here I have up to 37 USDT. So I impute the amount here, 37. You can equally take with the fraction, but I don't want to take with the fraction. So I just want to, okay, let me take with the fraction. For instance, 37.8. And next thing is for me to choose the network I'm using. Don't forget it's TRC20. So I have to click on TRC20. And next is for me to click on confirm. And that is just that. And you see the amount I will receive in my Binance is 80 USDT. Reason being, they will take 18% charge, withdrawal charge. So that is it.